Centrism during the global pandemic.
Virologists claim that this may be just the beginning of the era of pandemics. It is estimated that 340 million Christians are being persecuted around the world.
Chips might help in the management of immunized citizens.
For decades, environmentalist groups have been alerting the population about the threat of greenhouse gas emissions.
International armed conflicts spread panic across all nations. The life expectancy of humans has decreased in the last few years.
Mysterious disease emerges and alarms the medical community.
Current natural catastrophes are the most significant in the last few years.
Might help in the
Christians are being persecuted around the world.
Nations.
Don't you see there's no point in running? We're always gonna catch you.
We're everywhere. Deny it. Come on, deny it. Go ahead and deny your beliefs.